be white so that the bride will wear this any hair on her style, because obviously her wedding gown is going to be white. So the bleeding also of our size 0.50 comes like this and it comes like this. So using our tape rule, using our plier, or this, you could also use this point for your cut or your baby cut on. Let's start. So we'll start by measuring the tape rule, 30 inches wire. And if you cannot manage 30, you can start with 20 and I'll teach you how to join it. So 30 inches, 30 inches, 30 inches. Film it. Pearl bit, like I said, you need size 6 for it. You can also use that with size 8. But apparently, this is how your twist looks like. Your pearl. Starting with our pearl, you're starting with 3. Like always, in the middle. So you make sure they are in the middle. So you twist the 3 at once. Twist. If you're familiar with twist now, is it? So the same thing at the other side. So before you try and twist it, so it can be as similar to this. Twist it a little bit longer. So hold the tray together and you twist it. Twist. There you go. So this is the main one. This is the one at the side. So you continue like that. So you notice one of the wire getting longer. Use the longer wire. So the 2 of them together you twist. Now you continue at the side. This is the main one. This is the side, and you have the one at the side. So the longer wire. Put in 3. 2 and 3. So make sure this and this are the same length. Kind of. Hold it together. Then you twist it. There you go. So you twist all of them together. So with this, that's why you have to twist a little bit longer, like up to 7 to 10 times. Twist into this is it. So this is why I said you should start with 30 inches, because this is what's left. You see how to join. Yeah. So now start. You just make it. Now you have to work with just one side of the wire. I would explain what I mean. So come this way, make it a bit longer than the rest. Hold the 3 of them and you twist it, but you won't twist it all the way. Twist. There you go. Twist. So now with this second one, not the initial, not this, but this. You see, you're working with 1 now. With this, you also put 3 wire. 3 bits, sorry. Make both of them the same length. Then twist. You twist when it gets to the edge here. Twist. So once they are at the meeting point, you twist both of them together all the way to the initial stem, or should I say? Yeah. Twist. So now these 2 are at the missing point now. So you twist them all together like this. All together. So this is what we have. So now we have 2 sides. This is the main one we're starting with, and we have this. This is 2. This is 3. So at this other side, we're going to do 2 again. So the same way we did the other side. side. So move along, just like the other side. Now twist, twist, then the same thing again. So once you're ready, to twist both of them together and bring it back to the initial line. Set it all the way. Now we have this. So at this point now our fishing line is set fishing line. Our copper wire is short, so you cut another 30 inches. So cut another 30 inches. So why I'm making it 30 inches because the wire is not too long and then it doesn't get tangled. So this is how you join it. So this at the two ends, your wire on a fold. So this is the curved. This is the curved end. This is on a fold. So this is how you join the wire. You place it on top. So this short part will go for this one end, and this other part will go to the other end. So you just twist them lightly. At first, just wrap it around. Just lightly. Same thing for the other side. Wrap it around. So and you have a longer wire. So you continue the process. So this is it. Now you twist them all together to the length you want. These are the hair accessory you're making. So yeah, like that. So it will be a little bit tough because it's 4 wires. Yeah. So we're going to twist it some more. Yeah. So now we're going to continue with this side. So we're going to make 3 here. Continue make 3 here. 3, 3. So this time we're going to use a crystal. So 3. So you try to make it the same length with the previous one. This is it. Make it a little bit longer because you'll be folding it and twisting it, so it will take out of the length. And I'm making this 3 and this is coming down. The other one was 2. So you just trying to twist it like you would do previous ones. Yeah, then you do that same branch, here. Do it. Yeah, make sure you have the same length. Once you've gotten to the meeting point, you twist them together again. So this time around, you don't twist it all through because remember I said we're going to make this 3 instead of 2. So that's why we started with the first one. We're going to make it 3 now. Trying to twist it properly. So you see like the wire is usually flying everywhere. This is just 30 inches. Just imagine you make it longer than that. So you begin your pelvic this time around. Same way, fold and twist. Then you get to the meeting point, you twist them together and come back to your original copper wire, which is the second one. Twist them all together. So this is how it will look like this. So twist. Then when you go back, get back to the other longer one, twist it again all together to give it room for the next one that will from the next branch. So this is how you do. So you repeat this at the side. So I repeated this at the side again. So this is what we have. It started to look more like a tree. So I've twisted it a little bit. So I'm still going to twist it much more. So this is what we have. So now I'm still going to repeat this at the side again. So you twist it a little bit more. See how much I twisted it. So when you repeat this at the side, not the side now, the side. can see that this is short, so I'm going to be adding more of it. I'm going to be cutting 15 inches to add it. So I cut 15 inches wire, and this is I'm going to add. This is a single one. I'm not doing double this time around. So I'm going to attach it to this short one. This other one is still a little bit long. I'm going to attach it to the short one. This is I'm going to do. I'm going to place them. This is the end of this one, and this is the end of the other one. So I'm not doing it like this. I'm doing it opposite, like this. So it would continue to extend here. So this is what I'm going to twist them together. Don't be too rough for it, twist, so I could actually see this bead inside of it. So there you go. I've attached it. Now I'm going to put crystal. Okay. Yeah, I can actually go through the one I attached. There you go. Make sure they are the same length as this and this one. Maybe the same length. And put them all together. And then twist them together. Now we are adding this third one. Which is also very heavy. So make sure the same goes to this other one. Now they've gotten to the meeting point, so twist them all together. Then get back to this second copper wire. So we've gotten to the meeting point again. So I'll twist it. So I hope I gave you that off camera. So they've gotten to the meeting point. Twist them all together. So this is what we have. As I said, you should repeat this the second time. Not here. So we have 3, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3. So now we're going to be having.
And there we have it, guys. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like, give it a thumbs up, okay? Comments, subscribe, and then that's how you follow for part 2, okay? Have a blessed day. Bye.